and welcome back to Potions class. My name is Lucia and I want to know. Have you ever met someone and thought, wow, I really want to be more like this person? I know I've definitely felt this way before. I've always admired people who are confident with themselves and people who are able to carry on a conversation without being completely awkward. Well, now I have a potion to help you transform into the person that you've always wanted to be. This type of transformative magic is called Glamour magic, and it is a type of illusion magic that allows others to see you the way you want to be seen. You know the concept fake it till you make it? It's basically the same idea, and honestly, I feel like there's some truth in that. If you want to be a certain way, why not do it? Sure, it'll take some practice, but you'll get used to it in no time. Just pretend that your life is a video game, and you're at the beginning, where you get to create your character. Honestly, that is my favorite part of most of the games I play. If I don't get to create a cute character, then I am not interested. But yeah, who said you couldn't do that to yourself in real life? There's literally no one who is holding you back except for yourself. Unless your character is a pyromaniac or something dangerous, maybe let's not be a menace to society. Some things are just better left in video games. Anyway, if you want to manifest a better version of yourself, then this is the potion for you. Without further ado, let's craft our Chrysalis. So these are the ingredients for today's potion. You will need 2 tablespoons of kiwi fruit juice with no pulp, 3 fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of agave, 1 tablespoon of creme de menthe, 2 tablespoons vodka, 1 teaspoon of brewed butterfly pea tea, and a few butterfly pea flowers for garnish. Alright, so first grab a bowl. Add your mint, lime juice, and agave. Muddle it together. Grab a glass and fill it with some ice. Add your kiwi juice, as well as your mint mixture. Add your creme de menthe, as well as vodka. Top off with your butterfly pea tea. And garnish with some butterfly pea flowers. And ta-da! Chrysalis is complete! The ritual for this potion is to create a character for you to embody for your glamour spell. Imagine the person you want others to see and practice being this character while you brew your butterfly tea. Remember, glamour spells only last as long as you can maintain your character. Taste test time! Green and purple always gives me such witchy vibes. So you can enjoy this as a layered drink or you can mix it up. So I guess I'll just try it as this for now. Cheers! Wow. Surprisingly good. I'm generally not a big fan of kiwi, but this is actually not bad. I'm just gonna mix it a bit. Doesn't look as cool now, but somehow it looks creamy. Definitely tastes better mixed up. It's a lot mintier mixed up. It kind of reminds me of a minty kiwi refresher. I was skeptical about this one because I'm really not that big of a fan of kiwi, but this is actually really good and I think I would want to drink this again in the future. This would be one of my top picks for cocktails to share with friends. Only problem is that I don't usually have kiwi juice on hand, so I would have to blend and strain my own every time. I never actually checked if they had kiwi juice in stores, but I usually assume it's mixed with some sort of sugar or other flavors, so I should check that out actually the next time I go. This drink would be so much prettier if I actually had butterfly pea leaf flowers, but yeah, it was hard enough to find the dry version, so I'm quite content with this. I actually want to add more butterfly tea so that you guys can see the color change, so. Ooh, it's such a pretty color. Definitely looks magical now. This actually looks better than before. Actually looks like a crystal now. I wonder if this still tastes good though. Yep, still tastes good. Butterfly tea doesn't taste like much, so it's perfect for adding color to your drinks. If you guys try this, I would definitely recommend adding more of the butterfly pea flower tea in it. Yo, this totally looks like poison. I'd still drink it though. Well, that's the end of today's class. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that you managed to take a step closer to being your ideal self. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave it down in the comments below. Until then, class is dismissed. Stay magical!